guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about 5 reasons why you should not become a chef. Before I talked about 5 reasons why you should become a chef, so this time we're going to say why not. So these aren't in any particular order, so let's start off. So number 1, you don't make a lot of money. If you want to be an executive chef, you do not make a lot of money. The only time you make a lot of money is if you go to a big city and you're really good. You have a good reputation. That's the only time you make a lot of money. Those are exceptions. But other than that, you don't make a lot of money. So that's the downfall. Moving on to number 2. You think you like to cook. And what I mean by that is you're cooking at home, you like to cook at home, but you haven't cooked in a real kitchen yet, and you want to go to culinary school and give it a try. Don't do that. You need to try cooking in a kitchen first, then go to culinary school. That's the best way to do it, because if you do it any other way, it's not going to work. You got to make sure you're committed to this. You got to make sure this is what you want to do. So don't just be like, oh, I like to cook. So you need to make sure you know you like to cook. All right, now we're moving on to number 3, and that would be long hours and long days. And what I mean by that is usually you work in a 14, 15-hour day. Now, if you're lucky and you work in a really big restaurant or a big corporation, you might not have to work those crazy hours because you'll have a sous chef and you might only have to work a 40-hour week. But if you're in a small kitchen, small restaurant, small corporation, you have to work to 50, 80, 70 hours a week. So that gets kind of tiring after a while because you're working 14-hour days, 12-hour days. So that does take a little bit of a toll. And if you don't like that, don't become a chef. If you want to work a 40-hour week, go work in an office or somewhere else, because this is very demanding and you need to be ready for these hours. Moving on to number 4, and this ties in with number 3 as well, because you don't get any holidays. When you're cooking as an executive chef, you don't get any holidays off. If you're lucky, you can, but most of the time, you won't get them off, because you are the executive chef. So you have to work those holidays, because when people want to go out to eat, they want to go out and eat on Mother's Day. They want to go out and eat on Christmas or Christmas Eve or that week before. And then Thanksgiving, they want to go out the day before that. So you really don't get those holidays off. So if you like being with your family on the holidays, don't become a chef. And now moving on to number 5. And that would be, it's very tough to be a chef and have a relationship in a family. It's not impossible, don't get me wrong, it's not. But it's very rough on your family and if you're in a relationship. So if you're single, you're good. But if you're not single, it kind of sucks. So that's from my past experience that I have learned that it just really sucks. You don't get to be with your family. You miss out on those, things that you wish you didn't miss out on, but you can never get that back. So if you really enjoy your family, you don't want to become an executive chef because you just get no time with them at all. All right, guys, those are 5 reasons why I think you should not become an executive chef if you value those things. If you value making a lot of money, if you value your time, if you value your friends and family, if you like the holidays off, don't become an executive chef, because you ain't going to get a lot of those. Alright guys, so if you really like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're stopping in for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. It'd be so helpful for me. And also, we will be coming out every Monday with videos just like this. So please stay tuned to next Monday. And you guys have an awesome day.